Oh my god, I always have to do this when I'm right there. It's like I was really good at that. You have to do this. Okay. Come on, everybody likes to see our camera. Here we go. Here we go, and let's keep up. Keep for everybody. What do you know here? Stop! Okay. Oh my god. Okay. You don't want them there. Jimmy Kong? Oh, Jimmy Kong. Jimmy Kong. Bailey Kong. They have coffee and Jimmy Kong. Like, I just have to be correct. Also, I can touch my hand again. I just have to be dry like this. So, you can pretty much draw. It's pretty nice. But still, you guys, I had a video that shows my most epic Pokemon card collection, and I didn't show you one of them. Somewhere in here. So, here it is. Here's the epic promo card. I actually didn't get a funny out of this card. I like it. It's pretty sick. Right? The final one. Pretty sick card. And why is it upside down? Oh my god. Dun dun dun! Well, that's weird. Is the camera upside down or something like that?